Welcome to the product overview of the Honeywell HPA5200B series of air purifiers. In this video, we'll be going over the key features of the product, setting up your new air purifier, operation and functions of the controls, how to replace the filters when the time is right, and products that can enhance and extend the use of your air purifier. Feel free to skip to any of the on-screen time codes to find the section you're looking for. The Honeywell HPA5200B InSight HEPA Air Purifier with Allergen Remover delivers powerful HEPA filtration and features a cutting-edge design that displays device setting information from a distance. This air purifier captures up to 99.97% of microscopic particles at 0.3 microns or larger from the air that passes through the filters. The easy-to-read, color-coded feedback on the clear InSight display panel illuminates which cleaning level you've selected with 4 options to choose from: Germ, General Clean, Allergen, and Turbo. A touchscreen LED control panel is present on the top with a filter check light, control panel dimmer button, auto off timer, power button and cleaning level selector, automatic cleaning mode, and turbo button. This air purifier can circulate and clean the air 5 times per hour in medium to large size rooms up to 350 square feet. The HPA5200B is part of the HPA5000 series of air purifiers. The HPA5100B is perfect for rooms up to 175 square feet, while the HPA5300B can be used in extra large rooms up to 500 square feet. Inside the box of the HPA5200B, you'll get the air purifier, 2 HEPA R filters, and 1 odor-reducing PreFilter A. To set up your air purifier, select a firm, level, and flat location. Ensure the front of the unit faces away from the closest wall or furniture and that no grills are blocked. Remove the front grill by grasping the sides of the grill and pulling forward. A new HPA5000 series comes with wrapped and sealed filters. Remove the PreFilter from the tabs and the HEPA filters from the air purifier and remove the protecting plastic wrap from the filters. Place the certified HEPA R filters back into the air purifier housing, ensuring that the red removal pull tabs are facing outwards. If using the optional Enhance Odor and VOC S filters that are sold separately, place in front of the HEPA R filters with the removal pull tabs facing outwards. Place the PreFilter A in front of the HEPA R filters by securing the edge under the fasteners. Finally, replace the front grille by placing the tabs on the bottom of the grille into the slots of the unit and gently push the top of the grille until secure. Once set up, it's time to start using your air purifier. Tap the power button on the control panel to turn on the air purifier. The air purifier will start automatically on the germ setting until another cleaning level is selected. Continue tapping the power button to choose a different cleaning level. With each tap, one of the cleaning level icons will illuminate on the InSight display. Each cleaning level is optimized to capture each particulate size. Germ optimizes germ capturing performance during cold and flu season. General Clean is recommended for dust and general everyday cleaning. Allergen optimizes allergen capturing performance during allergen season. And when Turbo mode is selected, the turbo icon will illuminate on the InSight display. This setting operates the air purifier at the highest cleaning level and maximizes its ability to help clean the air and help reduce odors and VOCs quickly. Tapping the turbo button again will return the air purifier to the previous cleaning setting. The automatic cleaning mode button is available on the HPA200 and HPA300 models and not the HPA5100. These air purifier models are equipped with VOC sensors that detect the level of VOCs in the room and provide a visual display to indicate the air quality. The VOC sensor is constantly monitoring the air, and the air quality indicator light will illuminate either green, yellow, or red depending on the level of VOCs detected in the room. Green for good air quality, yellow for moderate air quality, and red for poor air quality. When auto mode is activated, the air purifier will automatically operate at the appropriate cleaning level to reduce the VOCs that are detected in the room. Simply tap the button and the icon will illuminate on the InSight display. If you'd like to set up a timer, simply press the timer button to select 2, 4, or 8-hour settings. The air purifier will run for that chosen period in the selected mode, counting down the hours and automatically shutting off after the desired time has passed. The control panel dimmer lets you adjust the brightness of the LEDs on the control panel. To adjust the brightness, tap the dimmer button once to dim the lights to low. Tap the button twice and it will shut the lights off. The dimmer button will remain at 20% illumination and will not completely shut off so that the unit can be located in a dark room. All other lights will shut off. Tapping the dimmer button a third time will return the brightness to high. When it's time to change one of your filters, the filter reset indicator light will illuminate. To replace your filters, start by making sure the unit is turned off and unplugged. Next, remove the front grille of the unit by grasping the sides of the grille and pulling forward. Remove the old PreFilter and HEPA filters from the air purifier as needed. Open the new HEPA filters and place them into the air purifier housing, ensuring the red removal pull tabs are facing outwards. Next, place the PreFilter A in front of the HEPA filters by securing the edges under the fasteners. Finally, replace the front grille by placing the tabs on the bottom of the grille into the slots of the unit and gently push the top of the grille until secure. It is recommended that the HEPA filters are replaced every 12 months with regular use, while the PreFilter is replaced every 3 months. The Honeywell HPA5000 series uses the Honeywell Filter R True HEPA filter. These filters capture up to 99.9% of airborne particles at 0.3 microns from the air that passes through the filter. This filter can be bought as a single filter with the HRF R1, as a 2-pack with the HRF R2, or as a 3-pack with the HRF R3. Using the Honeywell Replacement PreFilter A helps capture larger airborne particles such as dust, lint, fibers, pet hair, and fur from the air that passes through the filter, maximizing the HEPA filter's life. The activated carbon helps reduce common household odors as well. The Honeywell HPA5000 series comes with a 5-year limited warranty. For more information or to purchase any of the HPA5000 series air purifiers, the HEPA Replacement Filter R, or Odor Reducing Replacement PreFilter A, visit www.honeywellstore.com.